So I am back with the groceries, and now I'm going to go over everything that I bought for you guys. I was trying to put everything on my countertop, but I don't have much counter, so I ended up using my little table back there. As you can see, some of the stuff is there. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so starting over here, I got some mayo, and I have 2 cans of tomatoes, diced tomatoes with, well, that's in French. Let's turn the English side. Garlic and olive oil. I love these. And then I got some orange juice, and this right here is the Starbucks iced coffee. I wanted to try it. It's a different kind. We've tried one before that we get from Costco, and this one is not from Costco, so I hope it's good. My husband likes these, so I hope he likes this one too. It's the blonde roast. And then I got some feta. We use a ton of feta in this house, so I got the big size. And then I have 2 cans of sliced olives. We use those in a lot of our Greek salads. And then here I have 2 pouches of the Go-Go Squeeze applesauces for the kids. I have 2 things of broth. This is the chicken broth, and then this is the beef broth right here. I like to have both just in case I need one or the other. And then I got some fruits for the kids. These are the veggie fruit snacks, and then also fruit roll-ups. Ethan likes these, so I always get him these. Sorry if you hear noise in the background. Logan is walking by. Then over here I have some produce. I got some baby tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. We like these in the salads as well. And then I got a thing of blueberries and some raspberries right here. My thing opened. It looks like it has nothing inside. It's not much left, but this opened while I was packing it in the grocery store, and then they spilled everywhere, so that was no fun. And then here I have the naan bread. I got the whole wheat one. I don't think I've had the whole wheat one, so I hope it's good. I like to make my own gyro meat, so I like to have these on hand in case we want some gyros. And then I got some tortillas, whole wheat tortillas. The kids like these with, like, I make little wraps for them. And then these were on sale, and I decided to buy some so we could try it. It's just a whole salad in one, and I think it's so convenient. So I got the Fiesta Ranch, and this one is, I think it's the, oh, it's covered. I can't see the name of it, but it has lettuce and black beans, edamame, and red rice, and some sesame seeds. And then here I got 2 things of cucumbers. I got 4 zucchinis. I got some curly parsley in here. And then I got some tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, I think they're called. And some grapes. The kids already have some of these. They love grapes. Here I got bananas. I try not to get too many because not all of us here eat the bananas as quick as we should be. So I don't like when they go bad, because then I'll end up having to make banana bread, which we eat in one day. So I try to get whatever we need. And then I got these baby carrots for snacks, and some apples here. I also got an eggplant. We're not big eggplant eaters, to be quite honest. I do not like eggplant, but I'm trying to incorporate different things in my diet, so adding eggplant is one of the things I'm going for. So I'm gonna have to check on Pinterest to see what recipes they have. Then here I got some kale. Just gonna saute this and have it with whatever. And I got some egg noodles here. They're very tiny, the fine ones. I like to put these in rice. And then over here I got some taco shells for Taco Tuesday. I eat tacos any day, it doesn't have to be Tuesday. And to go with it, I have my taco seasonings as well. Then here I got a turkey drumstick. It's a smoked one. I'm gonna have it with my kale. And then here I have some pierogies. I like to have these on hand just in case we run out of dinner ideas, and then we grab that. And then for my Tassimo, I got the Nabob coffee. I did not realize I got the Swiss hazelnut. I thought it was the plain one, so we've never had this one, so I hope it's good. If not, oh well. I also stopped, oh, and I got some Trident gum for my car and my purse. And I went to the Dollarama as well, and I got these non-slip gripper pads. It's hard to open like jars, so I got these for that. And then I needed these sink strainers for my kitchen sink, so I got 2 of these.
Oh, look in.
So over here at the table, I got some, oh, I'm out of my breath already. I got some ice cream cones that we're gonna, I already put away the ice cream. I did have ice cream, I bought it, so I put it away because it got hot in my car, so it was starting to melt. And then I got this coffee here, it's instant coffee and decaf as well. Sometimes I take this to work with me, and sometimes I just like to make things quick and I just take that. And yeah, Jeremy likes these ones too sometimes. And then I got some ice cream. No, I got some sour cream. I like to have this on hand. I got some tomato paste, 2 cans of that. I'm thinking I might make chili one of these days, so I wanted to be prepared. I got cheese slices. I got the marble and also the Havarti. We like those in sandwiches. I got 2 things of milk for the kids. We go through milk so fast. It's insane. These are just my fruits here. I got these juice boxes for the kids. They like to have them and take them outside when we're just hanging out outside, so they want something to drink. These are easy to grab. And some tofu as well. I like to do meatless meals. I've been actually doing really good. I do a couple in a week, so I like to have this as an option as well. And then over here I got these Dr. Oetker pizzas, the veggie, and this will probably be for us. It has some hot peppers on them, and then the cheese will be for the kids, and I got 2 of those. And then over here I have some kidney beans that I'm gonna cook in my Instant Pot for the chili, or just to have frozen to be ready for whenever I need them. So I'm gonna be doing that. And then lastly, I have some butter here. Man, butter's been expensive. I don't know. I used to grab a couple, but this is like $5. I can't believe it. So I just have one. I also have another one in the fridge, so I figured 2 would be enough. So yeah, that is my grocery haul, you guys. And now I'm gonna clean out the fridge before, just a little wipe down before I put everything in, and then we're gonna be all set. So before I put the groceries away, I wanted to do a little wipe down of the fridge. It wasn't much. I didn't need to really do a lot of cleaning in it. That's why as you can see, I didn't take out anything. I just wanted to wipe down a few shelves. But I did do a fridge deep cleaning video. If you have not seen it, I will link it right here for you guys to go see. And I'll also link it down below if you want to go ahead and watch it. So yeah, that was what I wanted to do. The outside, the outside of the fridge, I don't know why that sounds funny to me, but anyways, it always has smudges, so I'm constantly wiping down the fridge. The boys are now accessing the fridge, so I definitely have prints everywhere. And I also open it with like wet hands sometimes, and that will create smudging. So I am just curious, how many of you guys like to go grocery shopping? Honestly, for me, it's not something that I enjoy, and I also don't hate it. I guess it's because we just need to go grocery shopping because we need food. But lately, I find it a little bit more stressful, with everything that's happening around the world with COVID-19. I'm sure all of you guys, we're all in the same boat here and we're all dealing with the same thing, but I find going grocery shopping these days is just not something I really want to do. I try to really stay out of it. I was trying to order food, like groceries, online with Walmart, but Walmart is kind of expensive. So, and that's like one of the best pickup services that they have. So I liked to just order online and then go pick it up without going inside and having to kind of deal with everything that's going around. But it is what it is. I hope you guys are doing okay during all this time. Like a lot of us are just staying at home pretty much, but I hope you're managing and keeping it stress free as much as you can. So here to start off, as you can see, I'm just emptying the dishwasher so I can go ahead and put the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. Right after that, my goal is always to try to empty it in the morning and just have it empty for the day so we could keep adding dishes in the dishwasher throughout the day. But it's been a fail so far. And I just tend to always leave it for a bit and then I'll just go ahead and load it once and for all. So I used to have a white dish rack that I liked to use, and I would just put my dishes that I hand wash in there. But I got rid of it because I found that I would just load it and not empty it as much as I should be. So the dry mat has been working really good for us. I like to wash and just put them away, dry them and put them away right away. It's been working great so far. And another thing is that once I put everything away, it kind of creates a little bit of counter space because, as you guys can see, I don't really have much of counter space and it frustrates me so much. I wish I had like a different place for the microwave. I don't like it there, but that's the only place I could pretty much put it. So, yeah, it doesn't fit anywhere else. And now Logan has started to open it. He can open it a little bit. I wish it was somewhere a little bit higher so I don't have to constantly worry that he's gonna turn it on one day. So once I was done cleaning all the dishes, I wanted to wipe down my sink and keep it nice and clean. Behind the faucet there, as you guys saw, I spill so much water there that the paint is starting to peel a little bit, and you could see the old paint that we used to have, which is the yellow. I don't think I've ever shown you guys. When we originally moved in the house, it was yellow. Like the whole house was yellow and it was not pretty. So we had it repainted, but now the yellow is seeping through again because the other paint is peeling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The last thing that I normally do is sweep and mop. I had to mop this floor. My floors get so dirty, especially in the kitchen. It's such a high traffic area that I constantly just sweeping and mopping. So on this day I was using my spin mop, which is it's really a sign that my floors were so dirty. So that's why you see me using it. And I had a lot of dry food on the ground. I had to sometimes just get in there and use my nails to peel some of the stuff off. I know it sounds gross, but it is what it is. I had to do it. And yeah, so it was the last thing that I had to do. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching. I'm so happy to be back, you guys. You have no idea. It really bumped me out when I was not able to upload in those few weeks that I was not active on YouTube. So thanks for sticking around, you guys. I know I can rely on you guys all the time. You're always there for me, and I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying the summer and you're spending lots and lots of time with your family, and hopefully you guys will get to see your other extended families. I know I'm looking forward to it once all this is done and we don't have to social distance anymore and we can get together and give each other hugs. So for now, I'm gonna give you guys a virtual hug, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.